Gorgeous girls, this is Shehla. Today I'm wearing an orange outfit and I wanted to do an orange lip for you and how I do my rest of the face with orange. I have done my foundation and the contour. We will get started with the eye look first. Using aqua shadow 22EE by Makeup Forever for the eyes. Very simple technique. Just get it on your eyes and blend out. Get under as well and just blend it out along the corners. Because we are doing a very dark lip, we will do the eyes to be muted. Now we will take a shade which is like a medium shade for the crease and just put it in there. The look is as simple as it seems today. It's very simple, and the next step I will just show you. Again, go onto the lid and under. So just the lid and under. The dark color like this, and I will line along the upper and the lower lash line and along the outer part. We will take blusher. Two colors as always. One is with the sheen MAC Rust Up Inch La Masca. Angle brush will go in with the matte shade first. Tap off the excess. Now I will go in with the sheen color, which will add some dimension to the blush that I just applied. And just like that, a little bit here. For the lipstick, I'm using Lisa Eldridge, the Velvet Morning one, and that's the shade. Then I take you can take a lip brush. I use the disposable one. Start spreading out. This is the statement and this is all muted. So this is how we balance out our dark lip with the light eyes and light blusher. Before we go ahead, is this by Danessa Myrex. This is beautiful highlighters. So let's get started with some highlighter. I think I will take something like this. This should look lovely. And I will go on top here. I always go in with my blusher to blend them out and make them one. So this is the finished look of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to do a very dark lipstick with these muted blush and the eyes. Thank you. Love you.